Hello everybody, Fred here. This is just a update on the end of May's my garden update. Tomatoes are doing really well. Got sunflowers coming up back behind. More tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes, 20 of them total. We got basil down there. Cucumbers are coming up doing better. Those are bunching onions. More basil. The rest of my tomatoes. There's my gourmet blend of lettuce. More tomatoes. All these front tomatoes are the San Marzanos. They look really healthy, super thick stalks, and doing really well. There's my red onions, and my dill still hasn't come up yet. But I just wanted to give you an update before May was over. There you go. And that's the end of May right there. All right, you guys, if you enjoy, please subscribe if you want to enjoy more content, and give us a like. Thank you so much. Have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.